Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Simon Promotes Art. And today we will learn about wide shot. What is a wide shot? Well, let's find out. The wide shot, also referred to as a long shot. The wide shot is any frame that includes the entire scene. This makes it all relative to the subject. In the wide shot, a subject or characters are placed or positioned far from the camera to visually represent their relationship to their surroundings or conditions. The wide shot's main principle is to show the scale of the subject. Let's create few examples to understand about the different kinds of wide shots. Imagine the script demand for a wide shot of the Long Beach, Canada. Then we are clearly talking about a big panoramic scene done with a short focal length lens, taking in all the eye can see. On the other hand, if the description is wide shot of Julia's room, this is clearly a much smaller shot, but it still shows all or most of the room. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like it. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to support me and to motivate me so I can make more tutorials and informational videos for you. Now before we leave, let's see some example of different kinds of wide shots, from a medium wide shot to an extremely wide shot.